A lot of companies are missing out on revenue goals, and it's actually not a problem with their leads. The problem is the next stage of the bracket, which I'm just going to buzz back and show you. The next stage of this, which is maximize conversions right here. If you're getting all the leads that you get out, you have the leads, but you're not closing them or you're losing them along the way, you're going to miss your revenue targets and you're not going to hit your goals for 2025. So if you're already investing in local service ads, you've got Facebook ads or Google ads and your SEO and you pay Home Advisor and Thumbtack and maybe you tried billboards and referrals, blah, 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 and you're still not hitting your revenue goals. The problem probably isn't adding more channels. The problem is being more efficient with the channels that you have. And there's a lot of tools that can help with that. Um, in the industry, this is a leaking pipe because the pipe is leaking if you're not converting the leads. The problem is that in the industry, 50 to 60% of the inbound calls and forms are unconverted, meaning they're not getting callbacks. When you call back, they don't answer, and then eventually you give up calling them. Um, maybe it's just falling, you're just losing contact, or you were too late, you didn't call back fast enough, and they decided to go with someone else. 90% of the web forms fail to convert, which is brutal. That's a huge problem. It's a lot of money going down the drain, especially if you already spent the money to get them to reach out in the first place. So the solution is not to work harder. It can be to have someone in the office, but today with AI, one of the best things you can do is leverage some of the existing technology that's out there. There are automations that you can set up that get triggered when a lead comes in. So instead of you having the physical trigger of feeling your phone buzz and pulling it out and quickly replying to someone, you can set it up so there's programs that do that for you. Um, a lead comes in within 2 minutes, they're getting a response, a personalized response back. They get a text response and an email response, maybe just like a great assistant would do. And then you can automate the follow-up if they don't reply, that they get another text, they get another email, they get another text, another email. For them, it should feel like, their dentist appointment is coming up and you get like 12 reminders. You can use marketing automations to do that on your behalf, which means that you can do the work of many people because all you have to do is when you have time, log in and, you know, or just you can even have it automatically schedule appointments and just go to the appointments and close them. So there's a lot of potential with marketing automations that are not being well utilized in the industry. There's a lot of ways we can make it easier and allow smaller teams to take on and administratively handle more revenue using AI and automations.